Get him. Oh, what just happened? Something just happened. They just shut the lights out. Something's going on over here. It just got all kinds of spooky. Oh, we gotta go upstairs. Oh, you know we gotta go look. Well, this is a little pricier, but still not bad. 21 bucks for pasta, anaconda pasta. What? Anaconda? Oh, look, a crocodilian. The Rainforest Cafe. Snakes on a plane. Look, a message snake. Oh, Phil, there you go. I gotta get that for you. Brother Phil Bubba. Oh, there go a lion. No way. What up, dude? Whoa. I want to see this alligator do something. What does he do? I went to one of them things in Florida with the giant, like 30-foot alligators. Oh, he got busted up in the neck. This is cool. Get him. Oh, what just happened? Something just happened. They just shut the lights out. Something's going on over here. It just got all kinds of spooky. Oh, we gotta go upstairs. Now I get it. What's over here? Alright, we'll see how the picture goes. Let's see if I can get to the boulevard. Alright, let me let the picture catch back up a little bit. I wanna go upstairs. Oh, it's over. Alright, thank God. I was getting scared. I thought it was gonna be like monsoon. Alright. Okay, we're going off. This is gonna have to, yeah, I think the picture's alright. What's this? He's cool. I get him. Right, let's go up. What's up here? Frogs? All sorts of stuff. What's over here? That's kind of crazy. Oh, they're using a cannon? What's over here? This is kind of interesting. It's a gorilla monsoon. Yeah, gorilla monsoon. Gorilla monsoon. I haven't thought about that in ages. What is this? Oh, Linda. Thank you very much. Let me see if there's a note. Linda K says, hi all, and Marty became a member. You've been a member for a while. But what's up? What is this? What is up here? That's Gorilla Monsoon. There you go. This is interesting. Oh, don't steal the cups and glasses. There go Gorilla Monsoon's woman. You can tell by the boobage. There go the Black Panther. What is going on? Okay, I gotta sneak while I watch. Shoom. Shoom. No way. What is this like? This is like where the elite, the haughty-taughty go. That's pretty freaking cool. It's got that like that Tarzan vibe going on here. All right. Oh, look. This place has a second floor? No way. I've never been in here. What is all this? Why don't they do the lightning now? Is there a button I could press? Press all the buttons. Oh, look, an elephant. No, there's no. I didn't see any buffaloes. They go. What's his name? Curious George is up in the tree over there. This is a sad-looking one. What's up with his eyes? Thank you, Marty. I appreciate that. Let's see. This is cool. They go Toucan Sam. He's looking for Fruit Loops and stuff. I want to see what else is over here. They got one of those like two-tone horses. They go Curious George again. What else? Oh, Curious George is everywhere. I feel like I'm at the SLS or something. Oh, they got bathrooms over here? Is that real? If you make tea out of that, you get instant laryngitis. The Dieffenbachia plant, they call it the mother-in-law plant. You're supposed to like dose your mother-in-law so she can't talk when she's visiting you. This is kind of cool. I'd chill here. They're chilling hard. They're chilling hard. They're chilling hard. I want some of that Caesar salad right there. I'd eat that. It's over here. Yeah. Okay, I dig it. Oh, they got a deck. You know we gotta go out. Whoa, it doesn't stop. The adventure does not end. This is pretty cool. He's got the whole zoo. His mama bought him the zoo. There go Magilla Gorilla. Oh, there's another Black Panther. You can barely see it. That looks like... Oh, is he alive? I swear he's looking at me. Wait. Dude. Yeah. See, he's pretending he don't see me. Let me see if I stay real still. I knew it. I knew it. Yeah, they're alive. Alright, I better get out of here. They got one of them, don't do the crime if you can't do the time birds. What was that? What's the name of that? He had a bird. I forgot what his name was. This is cool. This is boss. Alright, let's see him real quick. That's a little spooky. Every 15 minutes, I gotta hang out here. I don't hang out here 15 minutes. But if the rain came down, I would. If it monsooned, I've been promising everyone a monsoon. Let's go outside. Oh, look at this thing. A monitor lizard or something. That's pretty cool. I'm like interrupting all these people's dinners. Oh, that's cute. Got the whole zoo there. That's awesome. How you doing? Alright. Alright, let's go see out here. Hope I don't have to rappel down. No, it's a two-way door. Let's see. Oh, it's loud out here. No way. Alright. And where are we? It's probably chill to sit out here. Beretta. Would he have his bird Fred or something like that? But it was a cockatoo. A cockatoo. Cockatoo. He said cockatoo. What's this? Oh, here go Bubba Gump. We came in here, and if I hop this frickin' fence, we're in Bubba Gump territory. All right, let's do that. Yeah, let's do it. Hope these people don't roll on me. Swamp. Alright, now we're in Bubba Gump's. Bubba Gump is affordable AF. I come eat some Bubba's. I ate all the shrimps. And they got, that's okay. Shout out Bubba. They got the Mr. activities. What's over here? Oh, I see where we're at. Huh. That's kind of cool. What's in here? Nothing. I didn't know either. Beretta. That was it. Don't do the crime if you can't do the time. Don't do it. But nobody here has any shrimp in front of them. They're all starving out here. Look at this. Like no one has food. So it's cheap, but it's slow. That's the trade-off. All right. All right. Can we get back in over here? Let's see all the Bubbas. Oh, I touched it. Ugh. Oh, no way. Of course, I got the loud music in here. Where's Captain Dan? Do 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 do. Crazy little thing called love. Oh, I see this on YouTube ads all the time. That's where this is? The thing you climb and go buck wild on? I want to see Captain Dan. Captain Dan, I'll jump out of the boat and swim for him. Oh, I'm going to get spanked for this for sure. But it's Bubba Gump. What? My name's Forrest Gump. People call me Forrest Gump. Yeah. All right, I dig it. I dig it. Oh, there go Jenny. Jenny did Forrest like so wrong. Jenny was out hoeing around and all sorts of stuff. She was one of those women like, I can't find a good man. Well, check your friend zone. There's plenty of them in there. Oh, there goes Captain Dan. No way. Captain Dan. All right. My mission is fulfilled. And it smells good in here. It does. It smells nice in here. I want to go like crabbing now. So this is the spot. All right. Yeah, they put YouTube ads of this all the time. You get up to the top and you swing like Curious George and whatnot. Oh, the Captain Dan shirt. No way. That was one of the best scenes. Tell me I'm wrong. When Captain Dan was up there during the monsoon, that was a great scene. A man coming to terms with his fate. That was awesome. How do I get down? Do I gotta jump or something? Do I gotta go back through the forest? How do you get down? Oh, over there, alright. This is alright. Oh, it smells so good. Let's scratch and sniff it. Wait, can you smell it? I'm gonna scratch and sniff. You smell that now? Oh, no. It's kind of cool. Are they gonna charge me? Like, Jenny. Jenny did you wrong, bro. It wasn't playing. Alright. Alright, let's gather up our signal over here. What is this spot? Oh, it's a tattoo spot. Alright. Did we gather up our signal? Yeah, I think we did. That was fun. Ain't gonna lie. What is this? This is the safest ATM in all Las Vegas. I bet you. Look, it's got locks on it too. No way. She's doing some yogas. She's doing all the yogas.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.